Check this out, funny little experiment right there. That's an RGB LED and these are RGB LEDs. Inside this one are basically all three of them and the colors mix way better. And all I did here was I connected the ground to all the negative sides of the RGB LEDs and also the RG and B sides, of course. And yeah, this way you can see perfectly what's going on inside this one. And as you can see, all that's basically happening is that two LEDs mix their colors step by step and they create a lot of different colors. It's amazing. You should definitely try it out yourself because my phone is not really able to pick it up that well, but little experiments like that, well, it's amazing.
Initiating.
It is Monday, let's proceed with the learning experience. Let me recap the progress. In my previous tutorial, you know, I explained the breadboard. Here we have the plus and the minus, positive and negative rail. All of them holes are connected. And then here we have A, B, C, D, E and numbers. These are coordinates and they are connected as well, like so, electrically connected. It's as easy as that. Vertical rails and horizontal coordinates, basically. That's my workspace right there. Got myself a long USB cable. The Arduino came with rather short cables and it would be a pain, so long cable, perfect. These are all my resistors right there. Just wanted to see what I got. Let's just plug it in. I obviously installed all the software and stuff. Yeah, now I have it right in front of me. It's super convenient. The black cable is connected to the ground GND. Let's plug it into negative rail. And then there we have the red cable on the 3.3 volt pin. Let's plug it into the positive rail and wow. Simple LED on the 3.3 volt pin. There is no resistor needed. So that's the current progress. And the topic for this vlog are obviously resistors and powering an RGB LED. Let's do this. Video, I got kind of confused by all these, you know, by the color coding basically. And now check this out. I found this rather amazing picture. Just take a look. Let it sink in, take a screenshot, I don't know, this is amazing. With this knowledge, with this picture, you can encipher the color coding, or you can just read because all of them are labeled. But I guess once you take them out, you need to get back to the color coding. So yeah, little cheat sheet right there. I guess when you have to decode a lot of them, you will probably remember the coding. But as a noob, well, I won't even try to remember it. One last word about resistors. The unit is called ohm and 1 ohm is not very much. It's like it's a very low value. So most of them they come in something K, which is 1000, like 5000. What is this? 5K 1, 2K 2000, 1000. And with resistors you can control how much electricity flows through something, through an LED for example. They resist the current, the higher the value, the more they will resist the current. And now let's get to this LED. The previous picture and all the rest, it's all from a PDF that came with this starter kit. It's amazing. So that's the RGB LED right there. And as you can see, it has a flat side. And the second pin from the flat side, that's the minus pole. On a regular LED, the flat side is the minus pole because, you know, minus is a flat surface, basically like a line. And well, yeah, that's the thing right there. And well, it's getting really complicated now. Inside this LED are basically 3 LEDs, one green LED, one red LED, one blue LED. And if you mix them up, if you mix the colors, if you go green only, you will get green. If you go green and red, you will get yellow. If you're interested in that, then head over to my website, go to apps and Rgb Color Picker. There you can train. You will get 3 numbers and first one is red, second one is green, third one is blue. You can get a hint and it's basically, oh, that's the same thing right there, check this out. A little bit of everything that's probably like blackish, and it is. Play again. We have only just a bit of red, we have a lot of green and well, a lot of blue as well. And as we can see here, green and blue is like this purplish color. Wait, is this like purple? No, that's purple, that's, well, this greenish color, so it's either this one, yeah, it's probably this one, and it is! Anyways, and to cycle through the RGB values, as we just saw, we need, you know, in some cases we need a little bit of red, in some cases we need a lot of red. For that we use pulse width modulation. This is a technique to control power. And yeah, that's the schematic right there. Well, the wiring diagram. And I already tried it. I already started a simulation. But as you can see here, well, let's start it again. And now check this out. It's literally just an RGB LED, but the simulation is already super freaking slow. So you can simulate it, you don't need stuff, but it won't work that well. If you're interested in that, well, then just check out my last vlog. It's called Circuits by Tinkercad. Got my ground to the negative rail of the breadboard, and this one, well, flat side on the left side. That means that the second pin is the negative, so I connected this. Then on the 6th pin, we need pins with this, with this wave in front of it, because that means that this pin is able to generate pulse width modulated stuff. Hell yeah. So got my red on 6, green on 5, blue on 3. Just put it in there somewhere. And again, these are connected like so. So the blue one goes over there, and then blue one goes to the right one, green one goes over there, green one goes to the third one, and the red one is all to the left. So yeah, let's build it. IRL, OL, and that's the code right there. This is insane. This is so insane. Like, I don't know where to start. You define pins, you define... Oh my god, this is crazy. This is actually crazy. All I did was I took the code and I stuffed it in there. God damn it. And by the way, I also printed this thing. This is a resistor LED forming tool. Basically, you just... Let's get one. Just get a resistor and then you can bend the LED perfectly. So yeah, let's try that. And by the way, all of them are 220 ohm resistors. Let's do this. Check out the resistors, looking very good. Here I have my RGB from 3, 5 and 6 going into the breadboard, and now all that's left is to connect it to the LED. So I got my green one, got my blue one to the right pin. Now I got my red one to the left pin. It's hard to see, but that's how it's wired. Yeah, now all that's left is a code. Here we have the code, RGB LED. We just need to open it up. It's as easy as that. We have the correct port. Let's just upload it and let's check this out. Resetting, and oh my god, here we go. Getting this RGB LED to work. Sick. Rather easy wiring, but when it gets to the software, jeez, what is this stuff? And you can download the code from elegu.com. Defining the pins, setting up everything, defining the variables, main loop, green value, red value. Oh my god, this is crazy. By now I know Node.js and JavaScript, but well, this is a bit different, but it shouldn't be a problem. What's next? Well, I think I will take my time to, go through the code and learn the code. This is so sweet. It is amazing how simple and easy all these, these lessons are. The code is definitely something, but you can just copy and paste it, so that's no problem. And it's just so much fun to make these little things work. So yeah, enough progress for today. Smash the like button the way I smashed this first project. Bang the bell like crap. Check the recent news on ChrisViral.com. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.